Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a complete Shopify store. First, you'll want to sign up for a Shopify account and choose a memorable store name. Next, select a pricing plan that aligns with your budget and business size, perhaps starting with the basic plan at $29 per month. Then, input your essential business details, including your address and preferred currency. Finally, take some time to familiarize yourself with the Shopify admin dashboard. It's your central hub for managing everything. Now, let's get your products online and make your store look fantastic. Begin by adding your products, ensuring each has compelling descriptions and at least 3 high-resolution images. Group similar items into collections, making it simple for customers to browse. Then, select a professional theme from the Shopify theme store, many of which are free or cost around $180. Customize its colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand's aesthetic, focusing on a clean and intuitive design. With products and design in place, it's time to handle the logistics of getting orders to your customers and receiving payments. First, define your shipping zones and rates, considering options like free shipping over a certain amount, perhaps $50. Next, integrate secure payment gateways such as Shopify Payments, which charges a transaction fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents for online credit card rates. Don't forget to set up your tax rates and draft comprehensive refund and privacy policies to build customer confidence. You're almost ready to launch. The final steps involve making your store public and starting to attract customers. Remove the password protection from your online store to officially open for business. Implement Google Analytics to track visitor behavior and sales conversions, providing valuable insights. Begin promoting your store through social media, email marketing, or even paid ads. Remember, launching is just the beginning. Continuously analyze your performance and adapt your strategies for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.